Ito yung unlimited feast dito sa Clark, Pampanga na palagi ko nakikita sa feed ko. As in lahat yata ng friends ko galing na dito, ako na lang yung hindi. At bilang inggitera tayo, hindi tayo pwedeng magpahuli. So ngayon, susubukan natin yan. Tapos meron din sila nitong mga chocolate cracking drinks na nagte-trending internationally. This is VG Bakery and Bistro located sa loob ng Clarkfield, Pampanga. Open daily from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Nagsaserve sila ng kanilang mga specialty na pastries, coffee, rice meals, sandwiches, pasta, and more. Dati na nating na-feature yung kanilang regular menu, pero for today, ang pinunta natin dito ay yung Unlimited King's Feast. Kung saan for only $749 you get unlimited sausage, pork ribs, burger steak, roasted chicken, fries, and side dishes. Meron din silang open kitchen, so mapapanood nyo yung very skilled na mga staff nila habang nagpe-prepare ng food. Eto na at sinaserve na yung mga food natin. In-order natin yung 3 klase nila ng feast at iisa-isahin natin yan. Excited akong itry agad yung chocolate cracking drink kasi first time kong susubukan to. And you really know that the chocolate is tempered real well because you get that satisfying cracking sound. Pagkatapos, diretso na tayo dito sa mga side dishes na siniserve kasama ng ating King's Feast. Remember, unlimited ang lahat ng to. So meron tayong rice, muffin, coleslaw, buttered corn, and marbled potatoes. Pero dahan-dahan lang kasi baka dyan pa lang mabusog ka na dahil eto pa lang yung platter natin. The pork ribs have got to be my favorite part. It's lightly sweet and savory, properly seasoned at nanunuot yung lasa hanggang sa loob. Yung sausage din is very meaty and juicy. Panalo din yung kanilang burger steak with mushrooms and gravy at eto naman yung roasted chicken. Di na ako nagtataka kung bakit dinudumog itong King's Feast na to kasi napaka-solid. Meron din itong Queen's Feast. Hindi to unlimited pero it's the perfect option for people who love seafood. I am definitely loving this crispy fish fillet and that white sauce. Ternong-terno yan doon sa fries. Tapos etong malalaking hipon that you will dunk in butter. And it also has this super crispy calamares. At kung may kasama naman kayong kids, eto ang Prince and Princess Feast. Hindi rin to unlimited pero sobrang loaded niya na for a kid's meal. Ang sarap ng sweet style spaghetti na very meaty tapos merong kasamang chicken nuggets, french fries, and a burger steak with gravy. And after namin kumain, since nandito na rin lang kami, we did not want to miss a chance to enjoy some of their pastries and coffee. Talagang one-stop shop na dito. It's a bakery, you can have good coffee and enjoy breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Tapos ngayon, may unlimited feast pa. So kung hindi mo pa nasusubukan ang VG Bakery and Bistro, ano pang hinihintay mo?